This week, you're still doing the book balance challenge, walking around, keeping that book on your head for 2 minutes, trying to stand up, sit down, balance on one foot, close your eyes, do anything you can to make it challenging. See if you can keep that book on your head. Here's your outcomes today. Recite physical cues to skill of juggling. Apply those cues to Minute to Win It challenge. And reflect on your personal juggling skills through an exit ticket. You'll need these items: 3 rolled up socks, 3 plastic bags, 3 tissues, or 3 tennis balls. You only need 1 of those, so you need 3 of something because we're going to work on juggling today. The cues: you want to have your palms up, elbows at your side, toss just above your head. Number 3, the toss just above your head is the reason why people can or cannot juggle. That step is the hardest one to practice, and it takes a long time. Once you get that down, you'll most likely be able to juggle. And then you use your peripheral vision, which we know is your side vision. What you want to do is, in My MCPS Classroom, you can go there, or you can go to Assignments and click on Minute to Win It. And this is our Minute to Win It, right? We're going to do some juggling challenges, and you get to go at your own pace for a minute and record your answers. I'll go through all those challenges in a second. Clearly, you won't be juggling chainsaws, so you'll be safe. Okay? So if you go to My MCPS Classroom, you'll see this Minute to Win It worksheet. Okay? So what happens is you'll have to do each of these and record your score. So for 1 minute in class today, where it says the first one, it says 1 toss, 1 hand. For 1 minute, you're going to take an item and toss it above your head and catch it as fast as you can, as many times as you can for 1 minute. And then you would record it here, your answer. So in 1 minute, if you could throw 1 ball or 1 sock above your head, up and down, and catch it, let's say you did 50, you record 50 right there. Okay? Then you go to the next one. Since you're doing this at your own pace, you got to have your own stopwatch, so get a stopwatch. 1 toss, both hands means to toss over and catch with the other hand and then back. So it would be 1, 2. Every time you throw and catch, that counts as 1, and you just continuously count. 2 toss, 1 hand, so that means you have 2 balls. 1 hand, you're going to try to throw them and keep them up in the air. If you drop, it does not count. 2 toss, both hands. Now you're using both hands, 2 different types of balls to catch. 2 toss, both hands. I put it in there twice, so we can do that twice. 1 toss behind the back, so now you got to throw it over your head and catch it behind your back. Juggling 1 while spinning, so you're spinning in a circle, throwing up and catching. Juggling 2 while spinning in a circle and catching. You're going to juggle 1 under your leg. You're going to juggle 2 under your leg. And then we will finish with the big trick of 3 items juggling at once. You'll add up all of your juggles together for each of the categories and put the total here, so you will need a calculator. And if you're in the Gold Club, you did 550 or more. Silver Club, 300 to 549, and Bronze Club, 300 juggles or less. Most likely, most people end up in the Bronze because juggling's hard, so don't be stressed out if you're in the Bronze Club. It's totally normal. And then after we finished Minute to Win It, we took an exit ticket. What you want to do is you'll click on it, first name, last name, tell me what period you're in. What is the first step to be a successful juggler? Again, it's in those slides that we talked about. So do you need to start with the elbows at your side, your palms up, use your peripheral vision, or toss above your head? You'll need to review those slides to be able to answer that. But where do you find this exit ticket? It's actually in My MCPS Classroom.